Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Oh, we're here. We're live. Let me, if I'm being real, I didn't see anything that appears to have any exciting ranges or anything like that. But oh, here we are. Hey, be sure to smash the like button, family. Let me send that message out real quick. Let's see. Where we at? Real quick over here. There's the drop it in the Discord real quick as well. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hold on. Still gotta swap that out. All right, there we. All right. Osama, top of the morning. Yoko, good morning. Hey, appreciate y'all coming through. Oh yeah, be sure. Hey, smash the like button. The ratio looking off. I'm trying to end up in El Salvador next week. I see. All right, we got. Hey, y'all tell me what looks good this morning. Natasha, top of the morning. What are y'all looking out for? Because everything I look at, not really looking too exciting. Don't see like any crazy data. The ranges are tight, so today may be a breakout kind of move. Let me see what the SPY is looking like on the 1 hour real quick. Oh, you know what? We do have some. So here, this area of support could be a good little move. A good little, like we got some liquidity here. Let's check in on the 15 as well. Yeah, say we come to low of day. That could be a quick little something to the upside. Do I do phone consultation? No, not right now. I don't have the time for that. I have a lot going on. The closest thing I do to phone consultations are the weekly, like I have weekly Zoom calls weekly Zoom calls, 7:30 Central Time. But they're honestly they're very small and intimate. Great opportunity to ask questions. And actually this past week there was only one person on the call, so I would say like that's like the cost for that is cheaper than it would be to have a one-on-one with me. And sometimes people get one-on-ones and it's less than half the price too. And we have them every week. So I would say that's the best way, but I also understand the time doesn't necessarily work out for everyone. But also, top of the morning, MRP 3652. Happy to have you here this morning. And then also, like if you're on stream, you have any questions or anything, I will do my best to explain it to you as well. Like that's what I like to do here. It's like unfortunately life is a bit too busy to be able to deal with the one-on-ones. It's like I really value time with my family, fans, developing myself and whatnot. But yeah, unfortunately, I gotta help on a large scale. It's so many people I would like to pour into that I unfortunately cannot. Need to create some system, but I feel like even if I create systems, or even when I create systems, it's still what is it? Time, not enough time. Yoko eyeballing Nvidia. Let's see. There's a slight gap on Nvidia down to like 778. Let's come down to a 1 hour real quick, see if there's anything on the day. All right, so oh, hold up. I was gonna say this was easy money, but that already kind of, I would call this sweeping that, so I guess not. Uh, I'm gonna throw something down here though. That looks good. I have no idea where things are gonna go today. I lean towards up, but the range is, what do you mean? What do you mean there's an error? Alert saving, what is, why is it not able to save my alert? I've never had that happen. Bro, this is a problem. Can I save an alert on, can I save an alert on support on the queues? Bro, this could prove to be a problem. Let me see how many alerts I have. Let me see if I can wait. Active only. Let's delete some so I don't. All right, I deleted one. Let's see if that lets me set one. Bro, I don't. Okay, all right. I guess we just have an issue right now. All right, so Yoko's got his eyes on Nvidia. Once again, I'm not seeing anything. I'm gonna have to hop in Moomoo, see what they have. Like, see what's going on this morning. Walmart announces leadership changes. I don't think I'm trying to do anything with Walmart. Walmart or Nvidia gets a price target update. Okay, that's something. That doesn't always have to like move it same day, but it's good to know Nvidia is getting price target updates. I don't think I'm really saying anything right now. Let's check the headlines. No, I'm not. Yeah, so my expectations are kind of low right now. DK Films, top of the morning. Are you watching anything? Because the ranges look kind of tight pre-market. It's seeming like a good off day. Also, just to update y'all with my AMD trade from yesterday, it took like, I closed out like, I think like 30, maybe like 30 minutes before market close. Ended up taking like $128 profit off of what we initially invested. So ended up working out. I think since I got 2 contracts, let me figure out what that is. Oh, 122 profit, but I think I spent like 125 on the first and 64 on the second. So I had put 189 up to make 122. Charles, top of the morning. Tion, top of the morning. Good morning from Texas. Hey, good morning from the same state. Think it'll be a good day? I think it'll be a good day too. Just like right now, I'm not like seeing anything crazy. Like I like the idea of, us pulling back to support and then like running or like making moves up from there. But beyond that, I don't know. All right, let's see what it was. So okay, so yesterday was 64% return, but it pretty much took all day. All right, how do I get this off the side of my screen? All right, some other interesting things I was noticing is the fact that I wasn't like watching at the end of the day, but the PCE closed at 86.6. And normally that would make today like a more obvious day to grab calls. But because of the fact that it looks like we kind of did a little gapping overnight. Wait, this was? Yeah, because we had this movement up from market close yesterday. It is not as obvious because the PCE may have dropped. Oh, you said Coinbase and Amazon. So here, we can take a look. I feel like I want to leave the PCE up. But here, let's see. Coin. Wait, first let me see where Bitcoin is. Okay. Don't really. My expectations for coin would be low, but let's check it out. What's this, a 4? What is 3, 4? Okay. You kind of have it like a double top on Coinbase. Looks like it's coming to fill in. Like if it breaks this neckline down here, it's probably coming back to 224. Looks like you got the EMAs about to, or just crossing to the downside too. So I would say if it comes back up here, you're probably getting a pullback. And yeah, it's technically currently in the downtrend as well. So I like the idea of taking shorts at it about 246. Oh, Nvidia, it looks like it's trying to push on higher right now. So I'm gonna have to extend the range on that one. All right, what was the next one? Amazon. Yeah, Nvidia's still pushing. It's like, oh no, SoFi is crossing something. But Amazon's not currently doing anything. It's in a very tight range. I would like to, if I'm looking for Amazon to the upside, I want to see it above 241 first, because there's liquidity there, and I feel like it'll have a hard time getting above that. And then for me to, I don't know, if you want to play the continuation of the trend, I would probably look to that 241 area to try to get it. And I guess you have an $80 call on Synchrony Bank. Could you take a look at it? What's the ticker here? I'll try to type it in. $80 call. I mean, it looks like it could be on to the next level. Here, let's drop down to a lower time frame. It's like I would like to see it continue to push past where it is, and I'm sure you would too. But yeah, it really just needs to hold up. On the lower time frames, it's a bit kind of cooked. Okay, market's open. I'm watching things, but also like still analyzing this because not necessarily jumping in right at open. I will say if SPY comes down to this support, I do think that's a good buy. But beyond that, not really too much going on. I also think looking at the range that NVIDIA has created, I think supports a good buy as well. But also may get a breakout here. But going on the synchrony, I would say, I don't know, watch out at 81.40 where it is. Like it could also be done like where it is as well. With that one, you might have to watch on a lower time frame. It's kind of I don't know how much time you have on this contract. It's like it could keep moving, but I would want to maybe take profit at open. Hopefully the markets get burned to the ground today. We'll see. Yesterday the put to call ratio closed like very high. So I would expect a lot of strength today, but we won't be able to see where the PC is. We did kind of get that run after hours. So I would like to see that to gauge things. Okay, Mahishu, looks like you're getting a little push up here. All right, let's see. Hey, Kong, top of the morning. Hey, Steelers, what's up? Meta puts below 614.23. He said, but it looks like it has some strength today. I expect the market to have strength today. You got AMD pulling back, but I'm probably not going to do anything with that today. Good morning. As government deal, probably a rocket ship today. ONDS, another bull flag. Oh, you said you got to the 20th of February. Okay, I think you got some time on that then. You might be able to get this gap filled. Let me yeah, first, depending on what you're looking at, I think this 81.34 area to watch out for. Honestly, once it got here, I probably would watch it on a smaller time frame, try to take profit, because I think if it comes here, it pulls back, comes to like fill in this 77.92, and you go down on it again. Let's see. Nintendo to 11. Tony Math, top of the morning. Good morning, all. We have about, oh yeah, that's a solid amount of people not smashing the like button. I got 23. Hey, family, if you can hear the sound of my voice, be sure to smash the like button. It helps the trades get better. It helps grow the family. Like just know the more people in here, the better opportunities get found. You said Palantir called. Is Palantir finally popping here? I'm gonna put that up instead of AMD. Let's see here. I'm gonna slide the range up on NVIDIA as well. We'll give it for the first 15 minutes. Where's Palantir? Oh yeah, D-Scurv, I see your ass popping though. Yeah, that's so Palantir. Here, we'll go on. Oh, we'll adjust the ranges on it for now. And then we're gonna throw ass up here just to see. All right, so on the 4 hour, hey, good stuff, Mahishu. Way to go, way to go. All right, so ass. Yeah, that thing bullish. All right, so here, I gotta drop to a lower time frame on this one. So yeah, it's going loco. All right, so here, let me see. This was pre-market. Okay. And this was, oh, I guess yesterday. Solid. Let me check history. Has it been here before? Nah, all-time highs. Okay. Waiting for that PCE to let me know what's going on. Yeah, but Ast is going crazy. All right, let's see what else we got on here. Okay, we still got Nvidia pushing. Yeah, Nvidia pushing 190 right now. Look at it go. Let's see what else. AMD. Tesla looks like it's having a good day too. Nothing crazy, but it's a good little morning for Tesla. Let's see what the range on Tesla is. Let me check my day trades real quick. Cause I'm thinking I have to swing, but I need to check. Oh, so if I see the opportunity, I can take one today. All right, we still got Nvidia pushing the level, pushing the level. 7 minutes in. Tesla's in the downtrend, and actually, this this level right here, this 445 in this 4-hour downtrend would be a good level for a pullback. I would expect that to at least lead to like a 438 level. Get a little 438 short on Tesla. Should that play out? But once again, this is something that can take all day. So it's like it can come sweep that. Days like today, it's like maybe I'd look for it to come up to this. Here, let me see if I can throw an alert on that. It wouldn't let me set alerts for certain stuff earlier. Oh, hold up, man. Let me set an alert. Oh, Tesla's already. Hold up. That might I don't think I want to short right now though. But this looks like a good level for a short on Tesla. Also got 448. I'm just curious on what the zero DTs look like. Let's see. What I said, like 238? Wait, what happened to Tesla? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's already kind of pulling back a little bit. What's the delta on that? Oh, that's honestly not bad. Palantir is off the watch list. Nice to see. Have eyes on Tesla, up 20% on Tesla calls. You have runners left. I would like to see Tesla push up more. I would also like to wait and see what's up with this PCE. All right, what else? What else is looking? Yeah, Tesla is interesting. I would love if it can push up to like 448. Because honestly, it looks good for a short to me. It's like I think I could throw $100 at it, but only if it wants to like hold up somewhere. Let me go back to the 30s, see what it's looking like. Yeah, that 448 is still looking good. Oh, Nvidia still pushing. Apple kind of feeling it today. Still holding up, but kind of feeling it today. Yeah, let's go Tesla push real quick. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour too. Okay, yeah, that 448 level looks nice. Like would like that. Do I do zero? So if I trade Tesla, it'll be a zero DT. It's budget based. If I trade anything else, it'll likely be next week or ideally from today. Ideally, I'm at least getting the 31st, not the 31st, at least getting the 30th, if not the 6th of February. But we'll kind of see. I'm not trying to rush into anything, trying to play it patient. Yesterday, I didn't necessarily rush into AMD, but it did get a little nicer. There was a level above what I was looking at, and it came to it. So it doesn't always have to, Meta's moving pretty good today too. Let's see. Let's see what's on the. No, I don't think there's necessarily anything I would want to do with Meta. Oh, actually, hold up. Here, we'll see about this level. Let's drop to a 30. Let's drop to a 15. Yeah, we'll see about that. Might be able to get more time on the Meta. Yeah, I'm just curious. Oh, Meta is wait. What's the delta like on these? Oh no. Yeah, that's not necessarily the answer. Wait, actually, what kind of move would I be looking for with that? Ooh. So that's like maybe a $9 move at least. No, I'll probably hold off. IW inputs to 263, really risky day trade. I'm gonna say like most day trades are really risky. M since top of the morning, morning at the gig, early to meet the market. Hey, we're gonna see. I'm trying to wait for this what is this PCE to close or open. I want to see where we open up. We got about a minute or so though. That should be cool. All right, so PCE should be opening up. Should help me out. Or maybe we got one more minute. Maybe we gotta wait for the wait for 46 and not 45. But yeah, as of right now, I think I'm eyeballing Tesla. Think I'm feeling risky today. Eddie, good morning, family. Top of the morning. All right, so I have that alert on Meta, but I'm not sure I'm feeling it. Let's see what else we got moving. All right, Tesla didn't want to come touch that. Did it? It came pretty close. Nah, yeah, it's not trying to right now. Okay, oh man. Okay, PCE came down to 55. That definitely the confidence I had. Yeah, that definitely like changes things. Well, actually, it's still in line with the stuff I was looking at trading today, actually. So not too bad. All right, we got Hood down to 109. Yesterday must have, yeah, yesterday did a wrecking on Hood. I didn't even know. Dang. So yeah, Hood did some dropping yesterday. Let's see. Yo, Robinhood at 102 here. Let me zoom out. That's the next shoot, beyond here, that's the next kind of interesting level on Robinhood. You got 102, you got like 95, then 94. That's looking like money. All right, I'm gonna take Tesla to a 15. Still got my eye on that. We'll see if something happens. It still looks like it's pushing up for now. It says SoFi. Wow, hold up. Okay, so now that I've seen the PC, I can. Wait, what just happened? Oh, hold on, wrong chart. What do you mean SoFi? Wow. Oh, just a quick little pump. Yeah, I'm still waiting on 280. Still waiting on it. Or 2580, my bad. Was watching hymns. Any thoughts on it? I heard negative, like technical analysis from someone about it the other day, but I haven't like actually looked at it. Like I just remember hearing someone say hymns to the downside. My take on hymns right now is, yo, it's straight consolidating. It doesn't look like anything that should be traded at the moment. If it comes to like 29, that might change things. But right now, hymns is something to leave alone. In my book, if you want to mess with it, that's all you. But let's see. For real, if Tesla wants to come up, I'll take that. All right, let me go back to the ones I was like looking at earlier. Let me check in. Oh, IWM, hold up. Close to all-time highs. Let me see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Actually, yeah, there was actually, I think we got a sweep of liquidity. It might make a push to, it's not big enough for me to trade, but I can see what it's doing. Do I think the SPY will be on the upside today? Wait, what time did this happen? That was pre-market. So I think the SPY can come down and sweep this low. And then I think it can go and hit pre-market resistance. But if it doesn't do either of those, then it's just going to be range bound. So the SPY doesn't necessarily have to push higher today. It doesn't necessarily have to push lower either. So it doesn't need to be upside or downside. Sideways and break even are answers too. Like if we look at the votes, we got a 62% green vote, a 16% red, and a 22% break even. But yeah, as of right now, I'm not really too enticed by the SPY until it comes down to this support. It's like from there, it's like depending on which happens first, if I'm gonna take trades, I would either take a call on the SPY from there, or if Tesla wants to come up to that level, I got about $100 I'd be willing to kind of throw at it. But also with Tesla, I understand that things don't always go that way either. Tesla can just like come from the dead. Oh yeah, we got. Oh, I just saw Lucid below $10.
This is Argentina, Patagonia. This gets very strange. I'll walk you through this.
Right. All right, pulling back some more on the SPY. Let me take a look. If I get a SPY, just for the record, it will likely not be for today. At least the 20th. I got one I'm looking at, but we'll kind of see. All right, you said when you look at charts, do you look at volume bars? Yeah, if you look at the bottom of my charts, the volume is down there. I don't really necessarily give too much attention to volume, but it's something that I look at. Like it's something I consider. Like it is something that's important. And one thing I'm looking at right now, the volume on today is very low compared to like the start of yesterday. So there's not like, I guess people are on vacation today because I guess it's a three-day weekend. Markets closed on Monday. Let that be your reminder. All right, let's see. Yeah, I got a trade I'm looking at. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go for it. Here, let's see. All right, I just grabbed a 696 call on the SPY, paid $83 per share, and it expires on the 20th. So grab that about right there. Perfect world, that's what we get. Let me share that with the family real quick. see. Just grabbed a SPY 1. Oh, wait. SPY 696 call expiring 1/20 paid 0.83 per share. Lost so much on CoreWeave. How'd you lose so much on CoreWeave? Was it like a day trade, swing trade? What were you working with? All right, so I entered like over here. I'm watching these hiking ashes, and we'll see kind of what happens. So I got the SPY up on the 15, as well as on the 2-minute, watching the hiking ashes. I'm gonna. One thing I'm looking for is that we don't confirm below on the 15. If we confirm below, I'm out of the trade. And what confirmation would look like is this area where I drew this line. If we get a complete candle below that looks like doesn't look like it's trying to show indication of a reversal, that's confirmation. So this candle right here doesn't mean anything. We'll let it kind of fall however low it wants. Sometimes, these can get deep, but if it gets nasty, like I guess on the next one, then might get out. All right, let's see. Mahishu, have to go. Hey, have a blessed day. Have a blessed weekend. And yeah, hope to see you next week as well, Mahishu. Good stuff on the synchrony trade. A friendly reminder, if you can hear the sound of my voice, you have not already. There is I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but there is a button, an icon per se, that is kind of shaped like a thumb. And the thumb would be pointing up, not the one that's pointing down. But there's an icon just below the video, just below the charts. And what we want you to do, all we ask you to do, just go down there, click on that, smash it, boop it, tap it, whatever you got to do. Depending on what you're on, it might do a little dance. It might show you a fun animation, maybe some confetti coming out of it, maybe a little color change action. But yeah, that really helps. Actually, if I'm being real, I think it helps. They make us believe it helps. But it's said that helps the channel, so it would be very much appreciated. Also helps morale, so be sure to smash the like button. Hey, options grow at top of the morning, build it at top of the morning. Maybe I targeted the wrong level. I see a little bit more. It's heading towards some more liquidity now. Like right here at this 692. But we got 45 seconds left on this candle. And then this next candle, like if it's down here and it does not come back in contact with this spot right here, this line, then that may be early confirmation that I just took an L, but we'll see. Dominique, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yo, I kind of slept in today. Like this on the side note. I woke up at like 7:30. I was like, man, I slept in. That's an hour before the market opens, just for reference. I'm usually up way before that. Like to know what's going on. Why did I take the call? You want to learn the levels. So I took it based off a lower time frame. So like if you look here on the 15-minute, we have a range right here. So this was the range. We kind of set a low here, but we also set a low here. Maybe it was based off the 1 hour. Let me see. All right, yeah, it was based off the 1 hour. So the range on the 1 hour. Oh, there's something I did not consider. We're in a downtrend. Oh, okay. So I drew the range based off of 1 hour. And I'm staying in the trade because it could still like work out for me, but I'm gonna wait for confirmation. But like now that I'm looking at it on the 1 hour, I thought this was the range from like this area to this area, and I thought this was the first low. But now that I'm looking at it, no, hold up. No, it's still a bullish range. So actually it could pull back as low as this like now I'm looking at it on 1 hour. It could pull back as low as this or pull back and sweep this, and that would still support the trade. You know, I might go for a second one. Hold up. Like I might average down, grab one more. Cause that kind of changes things. So I was looking at the wrong range. I didn't zoom out enough. But yeah, just looking at it now. I got in the trade because I wasn't looking at the chart right. So ideally the range is going to be from like right here to here. This is where I should have looked for my entry. Down here at 691.29. So I'm probably gonna average down when we get there. I was just misguided. Let me see what it looks like on a 4 hour. Yeah, that's a better entry. So I'm gonna just kind of wait around. I'm glad I didn't get today's expiration. But yeah, we might move down some more. So yeah, I got a bad entry on that. It looked good, but this is where it's really at over here. But I'm not gonna cut out of what I got. But yeah, I'm glad you asked that question. So now I would feel perfectly comfortable grabbing a second one. Hopefully we do come to it. Looking at like how I'm doing right now, I'm down like 16% on it. So it's not even that bad, honestly. But man, I could have grabbed a better contract because now it's like where I'm at, I probably would grab a different contract. Let me see. Where so if I were here, let me see. Yeah, I could have grabbed a better strike. It is what it is. Let me see what the delta is. Honestly, the delta for the one I'm in is still solid though. So, I'm a ride with the one I'm in. Me talking about the confirmation and whatnot, things kind of changed a little bit. So, the whole confirmation to the downside, it's a little is different now. But looking at the Tesla I was talking about earlier, I was targeting like 440. I was trying to wait till like up here, be a little bit more snobby, get the 448, but the Tesla still would have been like great when I was looking at it. You said, what am I trading on? I'm trading the SPY, but I would wait because it's like I ideally 691.30 or so. That's the ideal entry. But it's still hold on, let me go back. Let me go to a higher time frame. We can also just like we can hold up off this 13 EMA as well though. Or this 200 EMA as well. That is a possibility. So we'll see what they give us. You said if I grab now, which one would I pick? I cannot say that. I can just say it's budget based. So usually I'm not gonna say the strike, but I'll say like my budget was $100 and I was looking at the 20th. So usually I go based off my budget. But I feel like if I call any specific strikes, I notice whenever I'm public trading, I feel like when I call my strikes before or after, before I take them or whatnot, it kind of alters the way they move. Like I don't know. It's like maybe I'm paranoid. It seems like somebody is like watching my trades or whatnot. Oh, look at that. Spy maybe let's see how we do at this previous area that I took my entry. Because right now we're at about the 13 EMA on the 2 minute, but we're recovering from the 200 on the 30 minute. Shoot, if for some reason we end up running in touching resistance now, shoot, I'll take profit, but otherwise I'm still looking to average down at that level. I say gibberish. You said which stocks to buy now Friday for swing trading and sell next week. That's gonna be up to you. I cannot say. It's like I can share what I do. If you have any charts you want to look at, hey, feel free to like speak about them, but like I'm not a financial advisor, cannot give financial advice. Ultimately the trades and actions you take, they gotta be based on what you feel. It's like I'm here to like I love to help others grow and like learn how to read the charts and stuff. But like I don't just like give out free trades. It's like I do share what I do, but beyond that I can't say like, oh, what stocks one should buy now. Especially on such a short time frame. It's like I can say like, oh yeah, these stocks sometime in the next couple years should do nice, but here I'm gonna pull up Meta. Meta looks like it came to that level. Why are people scared to give financial advice? Even if you're not gonna sue me, I can still get prosecuted. So just because I'm on the internet, yeah, it doesn't matter. And it's like you can say you're not gonna sue me and you can still sue me. Like this is America, bro. It's like and then it's like if I tell you something and then it leads to you losing like a fat amount of money because you don't like it's like a lot of people hear something and it's like I might say I took a trade and I put $100 in it and then people are like, yo, he usually makes this much on these trades. So they'll throw like 20K in and I'm like, oh, it just happens to be one of the ones I lost. Bro, you're out like 20K and I'm out like 100 and I'm like, yo, I did not put that same level of risk in there. So yeah, it's like a lot of people, like I understand a lot of people, especially like if you're younger in this game, like when you're younger trading, a lot of the times you're trading a lot more risk. You're like, oh, I'm gonna do a lot more. But it's like I understand a little bit can make a lot. And it's like the small good decisions every day that ultimately lead to the wins, to the profitability. Ultimately, like learning this on your own, that's where it's at. All right, so just calling it out, I did think Tesla was or not Tesla, Meta is a good short at this area. I think it can pull back to about 620 or so. As I said, also because some people hang on your every word, and if they say it's going to 100 and it goes to 99, 98, some will lose money. Hey, for real. Nah, yeah. Nah, yeah. People, yeah, that's why knowledge and the education is going to be the most important thing. It's like you need to know how to react and respond for yourself, because it's like yesterday I was live, I took the trade on AMD. I don't know how many people took that trade. I don't know how many people stuck around in that trade. But when I took profit on that trade, it was not on stream. It's like I took good profit on the trade, but it's like on stream it looked like it would have looked like it wasn't going to do so hot. It looked like it was just going to expire worthless. And it's like I have like a little WAP or Discord that I like the people who kind of pay for the private live streams and stuff. You know, whenever I enter or exit a trade, they can see it. But there were people who got on the live stream yesterday who can't see that stuff as well. And it's like, yo, they just don't know when I sold or anything too. He said Ast keeps going. Yeah. No, yeah, Ast I'm sure it will keep going. I'm sure it looks beautiful. That's not gonna be one I chase. It's like there's no history at this level for me. So the next area that I'd probably be interested would be about 92. Or if I wanted to come down on a 1 hour and do something, 106.31 as well. But yeah, this $92 area looks like really good on it. So that's my thing. Whenever things like set a good level like that, you just mark the good entry and then you just wait for it. Patience is truly a virtue in this market. So what do I say with the IWM? IWM is just there. There's like I saw like there was a sweep of liquidity. The liquidity was at this 265, so it can like run to the top. It was at 265, whatever. But by the time I saw it, it's too late to really benefit from unless IWM just goes crazy. So it's like it's not really worth it. Henry said, "Hey, just got your alert in SPY." So Henry, just an update on that SPY trade I took. I wasn't looking at it as far out as I should. So now like if it comes down to this 691.30 area, I'll probably average down and get another one. I was a little bit too zoomed in on that SPY trade. So this might be one that takes more time too. Let me also make sure. Yeah, I got my alert set. But yeah, the SPY trade, it's like I could see the SPY coming down more. So that may end up becoming some sort of swing trade. But it'd be nice if the SPY decides to come down a little bit sooner. Hey, no problem, Kong. Very welcome. Yeah, today's not looking too exciting. Oh, we're still on the second. Wait. Oh, this is a 30-minute. I was about to say, I'm like, yo, we still haven't actually done anything. I'm gonna go to a 15 for now. You said so it's a swing trade, not a day trade. I'm not sure, Henry. Like I thought it was a day trade, but we'll see. Uh I say Jiris, when you look at these charts, what am I looking at? So I have like a playlist on my channel that like explains it all. It's like honestly, before you come to the streams, you kind of want to understand like the language and the way I trade. So like, here I'll share the playlist, but oh wait, hold up. It's like I don't even know where to start with telling you anything. It's not. I would say it's not that simple. Like I can't fully like understand you through messages. Like you're saying buy when the line goes down, buy sell when it goes up. It's I would say it's not that simple because it's like there are a lot of lines, and yeah. Henry said I was in TSL play earlier, 40%. Hey, good stuff. Where is support for Palantir? So Palantir is like kind of range bound. Oh, it broke out. Okay, nice. All right, below here, you got a gap fill to 170, and then below that is going to be about 167. But yeah, first place you'll look, or actually, is that first place you'll look? So you'll have some support around here. But yeah, I'd look to 170 after, like if it continues to move where it's at right now. Oh, that Tesla short played out. Should have taken it. Should have taken it. Yeah, it went to my target. I'm curious how that contract's doing now. Let me see. Honestly, the spy contract's holding up though. I'm not feeling too bad about it. But let me check in on that. I'm just curious how I would have done. Cause I was thinking that Tesla short was looking textbook. Let's see. Oh yeah, that Tesla short is up 200% from where I was looking at it. That was the trade. All right. Noted for the future. Noted for the future. Whenever I see something that looks like that, need to be a little bit more confident, especially at that price. All right. Oh, okay. Spy's trying to come a little closer. Let me get ready. I might grab a. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. And I would say most of the stuff going down, unless today is just going to be like one of those scary days. I'm gonna say like most of the things you see coming down don't have like too much more downside to them. That's just my take. But that contract I got earlier, I'm down like $28 or 28%, 27% on $23. So it's actually not even that bad. But yeah, I would like for us to like come down. You said, yep, TSLL short was on my radar too. Yeah, where I had this line on Tesla, I think I was looking at it right here. Yeah, I was looking at it right here, and it was about the contract was about like 103. The contract is now I don't even know. It's moved down some more. I was just looking at it to go to 440. But I can see on zero DT Fridays, like yeah, that $5 move on Tesla is insane. Okay, so I'm gonna have to actually take advantage of that in the future. Yeah, we might not get to move though. It's trying to move all slow and stuff. Market likes to be stubborn. Try to leave try to leave me in these trades all day. I feel like when I trade at open, I get a little too excited. I need to zoom out more. Otherwise, I wouldn't be in the trade yet. Like I was hesitant with the Tesla, but Tesla would have. I honestly, I would say I'm rightfully hesitant with the Tesla, but I'll probably be a little more confident playing it on Fridays. But also, the Tesla would have been a zero DT. That was another thing. Like the one I got right now is not a zero DT. Feeling bullish on Microsoft? We can take a look on it. Look at it. All right, so it looks like as of right now, um, Palantir is holding up that 743. All right, we might have got a double bottom on the SPY, possibly. So it might try to like push up and do something. We'll see. It could still continue its way down, but hold on, let me. Here, let me see as if let me look at it as if this was something over here. So if this were something, here, yeah, I'm gonna have that there just in case. But I don't really find that to be that significant. So I don't think it is, but so you said feeling bullish on Microsoft. I know Microsoft been falling hard, so it'll probably have some kind of reversal here. Let's go to a daily. All right, next area of interest I see on Microsoft is like this one right here. It's nothing like crazy, but yeah, you did get a move from like 450, gapped up to 456, closed out at 460, almost 461. So that could be something, but that's the next, I would say, area of interest. So right now, I would still expect it to continue downward, but it can also like come back, touch this 13 EMA before going down. Said Microsoft might SPY could also be a double top. Yeah, I did say something about that earlier. Not actually. It's more like this shoulder is a lot higher. I guess it depends on what time frame you look at. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna say like, oh yeah, could possibly. I don't know. I would say like this shoulder is like a little high over here. I would say that was a double top. This had potential, but it might just be a choppy chop, you know. But my take on Microsoft, I would say in my book, it's still a little early. Like if I'm trading on a 4 hour, that's like if it comes down to 454, okay, there might be a short little swing. Um, then beyond that, you got like a 449 or whatnot. Dang, Tesla's still going. Yeah, I don't even want to look at that contract I was looking at. Yeah, yeah, those, yeah. Tesla's looking nice. You know, TSL's looking nice. Yeah, shoulda, coulda, did not. Unfortunately, when I spoke about the price. Oh, you're talking about Tesla? I was Tony Math. I was looking at a zero DTE. I'm not sure if that's what you're looking at, but it was at about 103 when I was looking at it. And then also maybe there's also probably like a 15 to 30-second delay from me speaking versus what you hear on stream. So it could have also moved, but it's like with Tesla, it was at like 103 when I was looking at it. Shoot, you got me wanting to look back now. Hold on, let's see. Let me look at the Tesla one more time. Tesla. Yeah, it's at the board. Oh, it sounds like you were looking at the. Yeah, it looks like you were looking at the right one because it's going for about 460 right now. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. All right, spy keeps coming close, but not close enough. All right, so I think it's safe to say this wasn't anything. But yeah, it's taking its time. I think we can get it though. But we're like 30 cents away. I'm down 33%. I might be able to get two more. Here, let's. You said if we break below 200 on the hour chart, are we jumping shit? No, so you said below 200. So like I was saying earlier, I said I was going to average down because the entry was I got the wrong entry because I was too zoomed in. So my entry, so I'm about to enter if we come to this like 691.30, I'm about to grab a second one because this is when I really should have entered. And then if we confirm below that, I'm cutting out of the trade. But this is so I entered up here unfortunately, but I'm about to take a second entry about right here, and then ideally still look towards the same thing. But all right, so looks like the level hit. I'm about to grab another contract. I'll probably grab another two since it's like all right, so I just grabbed two more at 51 cents per share. Let me come in. There we go. Extend that out too. And yeah, I'm in. Let me alert the family. So yeah, if we confirm below here, I'm out. I'm done. I'm out of the trade. Just grabbed two more at what did I say? 51, 52? At 51 per share. Oh, I forgot to add the picture. Oh no, I guess I didn't take a screenshot. Oh well. Now my average cost is 62 cents per share. So yeah, now we sit here, we wait, or I sit here and wait, make sure that what is it? Make sure we don't confirm to the downside, and then should all be good. But yeah, if we confirm to the downside, then I just took a L on the day. How much time we got on this candle? So we still got like 9.5 minutes on this candle. So I'm gonna just chill. Yo, anybody got any fun plans for the weekend? I'm not sure I have fun plans for the weekend. I know after this, I got like a little 39-minute run. I got back in I think when I was training for the marathon, I felt like I didn't have time to like lift as much, so I'm lifting again. I'm starting to see my muscles come back. I'm like, yes, let's go. Coming back. Said got to all weekend. Wait, when you say got to all weekend, what you gotta do all weekend? Oh, gotta work. Oh, um, yo, get the money. Hey, do what you gotta do, family. Um, yeah, the work you're putting in now will pay off, assuming that you're being responsible with what you get for it. On call this whole week. Hey, gotta get it like you live it. I remember I was working. I used to so when I was at Amazon, I worked weekends too, and often worked overtime on weekends. I worked the weekends because they paid more on the weekends though. It was like an extra $2 an hour or something. It might have been like an extra 80 cents an hour. I might be boosting when I say extra two, but it might have been two. I don't know. Whatever it was extra, and I was like, yo, these girls say, you know me, basketball practice tonight and Sunday. Hey, yes sir, yes sir. Hey, was that you that messaged me on that page? I didn't even go back and check the message and see if I got a response. Let me see. It's like I'll see these messages and then I just won't I gotta see. Let me go. Oh, I didn't. Oh wait, hold up. I got a message. Nope, nope. I don't think I got a response. Yo, where'd it go? Oh, okay. You didn't open it. If that was you. Okay, let's see. Just took a short on M&Q. Once closed under PDL, hit my target out with. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna need this candle to show something different. Cause if not, yo, the spy may be going for that gap fill. Wait, what day is this from? Is this from? Oh, that's from Wednesday. Yeah, it may be going for that, and then today may just be an L. Hope that's not the case, but that very well could be the case. And then honestly, with what happened with the PCE, with it dropping, they sure made room for that. But I'm gonna wait for confirmation. We'll see. Hey, but good stuff with the good stuff options growing. I was bad revenge trader and over leveraging. I'm proud of myself for sticking. Hey, I'm glad you stuck to your plan too. Over leveraging is serious business, so don't want to do that. Shoot, maybe we come down and wick this 690 level. I mean, we may as well. No, actually, I don't want that. But honestly, it's about there. So if it wants to push down fast, that's cool. And top of the morning, PLs are fun to look at. Here, let's see. Alpha Trader throwing something in the mix today. Planet Lab. Oh, I really need to like look. I need to turn on its notifications. It's just bro. Oftentimes it's like let me see what he said. Oftentimes he's like it's just moving too fast. Or not moving too fast, it's just like a lot of notifications. Oh yeah, I'm saying he said he's been talking about it since $6. Yeah, these things go crazy. Yeah, that's kind of wild. Oh, that meta was a good trade too. That's the second one. Bro. Yeah, it's getting to me now. Cause I had like bro, the Tesla, the Meta, the Tesla went hit my target and it's still going. Meta, I think I had it going like maybe 620, 621, something like that. Meta, it's moved enough at a good enough pace. I could be done. It's like volume's not even that crazy today. Yes, SPY is on the downtrend. Solid little downtrend. This is why I typically come in like later in the day. I like to clean up after these because it's like usually it'll come in. But now if we look at it, if we look at it on the 1 hour, it's like, oh, it's at the 200 moving average. And I think we can at least get a move back up to about this 293 level. So I think I'm still good. A lot of contracts expiring today. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, actually, yeah, it is yeah, because it's like the contracts I got last year for January expired today. They're worthless, but yeah, I did notice. I'm like, oh, I still have contracts. They were like, they were. I'm like, what do you mean? I'm only this much up on the year, but it's because of those contracts. I was like with the trades I've actually taken and completed this year. It's like I'm up pretty good, but it showed I was up like $50 or so, and it's because of the ones I took last year that for the Santa rally that didn't play out, and I just have them because they didn't have any value, so I can't really sell out of them. You said SPY is exact. Is that what this level is? I think the pre-market low was a pre-market low today was a pre-market low was like wait, I think it was like 692.88. So this might be yesterday's pre-market low, but today's pre-market low was actually pretty high. All right, so we got the closeout on the 15. So, I'm gonna need this to come back into contact with that. You said, so are we in calls or puts on the SPY for day? So I'm in calls right now. The first call I grabbed was I was zoomed in a little too close, and then it came down to a level where I really would have wanted to grab the call. So I like just got it not too long ago. So now I'm just looking to see if right here I'm looking to see this candle right here will either confirm to the downside and I'll get out, or I will stay in the trade and take profit. I hope this isn't something that takes all day like the AMD did yesterday. It kind of like what was it? Delayed some stuff for me. Like my little workout in my run yesterday. Right now, it's looking like it could go either way, though. Still got like 11 minutes on the candle. I expect to move back up. Yeah, I do too. I do too. Trying a little bit right now. Oh, we also got Euro close in about what, like Euro close in like 40 minutes or so. Almost bought a put on bros a minute ago. If I knew what I was buying, I might have pulled the trigger. Pretty sure. Here, let's check charts on bros. All right, it looks like oh no, speaking too soon. I'm not gonna say it. I was so looks like you could probably draw a trend line for resistance on bros if you look at it. So that's one thing I do if I were gonna possibly trade it to the downside. So I got calls for the 20th. If I were in calls for today, I'd probably poop myself. That probably would not. I'd be very nervous. I'm sorry if that's graphic. You said that's what you okay. Also be aware you can get breakouts as well. Breakouts are a thing too. Okay, so it looks like as of right now, the spot, like, yeah, this entry as of right now looks like it's holding up because this is where I originally should have entered. And like as of right now, this candle is not going to confirm to the downside. It's going to take another candle. We're going to be in the that's going to leave us in a trade longer. So let's see if we can get a push on these hiking ashes. I'm gonna take this and draw it over like this for now though. Yo, I'm hungry. I have not had anything to eat today. Let's take that. Yeah, let's take the elevator up for once, not the stairs. Yeah, I would love if that happened. If it wants to just go for it like right away, I'm here for it. But also, it is what it is. As long as I don't have a 0 DTE, it's fine. If it wants to take its time today, it's like a little annoying how they want to wait till like the very end to do that little. It's like they'll give it an elevator, but it's like, oh yeah, let's wait till the very last second. Hold up. Draws $5 in 1 hour and takes 2 days to climb. Hey, for real. Let's see if we can get above this resistance on the 2 minute. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is how the entry should have. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if we can keep this up, but yeah, this is looking like a sweep of liquidity should. Liquidity there. We got one candle pushing down, other one pushing up. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what kind of pace this moves at. This could take all day still, but it's a lot better that I got those extra two because I'm still down. Yeah, I'm still down, but it's better. All right, let's hope the liquidity sweep continues. Let's hope it begins, and then there's also a middle, and the end is up at 700 or something. On SPY, your level to get out would be so on the SPY, I might like get out at different levels, but Final target is, yeah, about like 694.49, but things might adjust over time. Right now, next level I would probably evaluate and see what we're looking like at like 692.51. Like one thing I'm doing is like looking at these hiking ashes too. So kind of like evaluate, realize, hey, we may pull back, may slow down. Just kind of see overall what I think will happen. And then also it also like plays into account like what do I think is going to happen for the day. Like yesterday with the AMD, honestly, it looked like it was going to keep going when I took profit. So here, let me show you where it happened yesterday. So yesterday with AMD, I had I had it drawn to right here. Like I had a line right here. Let me put it back. But I had a line right here. This was my final target for the day. But I cut out about right in here, or like about right in here. It was around like 229.70. Just because I was like, yo, I'm ready to run. And then it was crazy. I was like, oh, yeah, just like 15 minutes into my run or so, or like it was early in my run, I got an alert that it hit this, and I'm like, that would have been like I made like 65% on the contract, but it probably would have been like two something because that contract was like it went into the money, and it's like just depending on my day, I don't always ride to the furthest target. If it wants to run it quickly, it's like yeah, I'll ride it, but most of the time I don't ride all the way just because I feel like trading should fit around your life and not necessarily your life around trading. So that's kind of how I live. It's like there will always be more trades to take. Okay, yo, getting a little push up action on the SPY though. It's good. It's good. Let's see. All right, so those second contracts that I bought, I'm now up on barely. I'm up like $1 on $2 on them, $3 on them, but they dropped my average. I think I paid like forgot what I paid for the first one. It was like 80 something, I think. I paid 83 for the first one. They dropped my average down to 62. So when the contract gets above that, it's like I can relax a bit more. And thank you, Edward. Hold up, let's see what we're working with here. All right, let's see. Kevin Fan, what's up? Take it up. Take it easy, man. Thanks. Hey, you're very welcome. Appreciate you coming through, Kevin. Yo, have a blessed day, man. Have a enjoy. Hope you enjoy your weekend. Okay. On a negative note, I'm down on the Intel. Probably gonna end worthless today. I got a call yesterday and it tanked. Should have gave it more time. Hey, I'm gonna say as long as you like took a lesson from that, it's still good. Like it's like, hey, it took so many of those. It took so many of those for me to get to the point where it's like, oh yeah, I need to get more time on my contract. So it's like it's good if you're taking that away and you actually like take to that. Like one day you'll take the contract. It's like, oh, I can't afford the time. Should I take this contract? What are the odds looking like? And then it's like, if it's not looking right, I'm not going to take it, and it'll ultimately end up saving you for a better contract. So you said, so is that a confirm on the 15? You can say that, but confirmation was going to be like if it confirmed. What I was looking for confirmation is that it didn't confirm below, because if it confirmed, that would mean it was I would have to cut out and take a loss on the trade. So the fact that it's still holding up, I wouldn't say it's confirmed. It's like I would say the trade is confirmed when you enter it, and then like let me say it again. It's like, or let me start over. It's like when you enter the trade, you assume it's going to do what you expect it to do. So the confirmation that you're looking for after you enter the trade is confirmation for an exit. So it's like before you enter the trade, confirmation is like whatever. If I needed to cross this line, it's confirmation I'm entering the trade. And then it's like if I'm looking for confirmation to the downside, it's like, okay, this confirmation invalidated the trade. So the trade was confirmed when I entered it. And it's always going to be confirmed when I entered it, unless it's like an early entry. But it confirmed for where I should have entered. And then it did not confirm for the invalidation. Hope that makes sense. Yes, sir. That's why you don't chase. Sometimes I do chase. And when I chase, most of the time it does not work out. I'm going to say a solid 95% of the time it does not work. I pulled that number from my butt, but I feel like it's highly accurate at the same time. What was that? Oh, I was reading the comments. Okay. Yeah, we all take L's. Yeah. Yeah, we all take L's. You know, L's just stands for lessons. You gotta make sure you're learning something from them. Empson said, think I'm out of SPY if it gets back down under 691.10. Otherwise, need a second contract. 691.10. Well, I hope it doesn't come back below that. Yeah, I hope it just kind of continues on this path. Like it's doing all right now. Let me see. Yeah, I'm down like 14% from like I think there was a point I was down like 35, almost 40%. But I did average down, so that kind of helped. All right, still moving on up at 692.40. All right, now I'm only down 6%, 4%. Yeah, I'm $3 from break even. All right, contract doing this thing. I can only imagine if we got the proper entry the first time. Probably be a lot better, but it's all good. He said, "Dang, core weave climbing." Yeah, I'm not sure if you heard it earlier, but like around the time I got this contract, I was saying I think everything that's going down, that is around the low of where it is. So it's like or I thought that would be the low for most things for the day. So now let's see if we can push our way on up and get some bread. All right, so we're at the 200 moving average on the 15, still trying to push. I'm down like a little below 3%. Took a few L's, but without them, couldn't speed life, spend life, been through a whole lot of BS, but still smell nice. From poverty to buying property, headed to a paradise. Lil Wayne is so lyrical. I don't know what song that is, but yeah, I know he is very very lyrical. It's been a long time. A long time. All right, showing a little resistance at the 200 EMA on the 15, but you said piano trap. Thank me later. All right, what is it? The songs I know from him from growing up, they live in my head. But new Lil Wayne or like just stuff that wasn't like that's not here from me growing up. I do not take more Lil Wayne unless he make change. Hold up. What's going on here? Oh, okay. But yeah, do have to admit he is quite the lyricist. It's kind of wild. Like it's like we remember his lyrics, but it's like his older songs. He does not remember the lyrics too. It's kind of wild. Let's see. All right, so low pullback here. Has so much he has to do a verses with himself, and some fans still wouldn't. Yeah, he's been around for quite some time. Quite some time. Like quite some time. Bro, what's I like the hiking ashies. They're looking good. Oh. We got Euro close in 16 minutes. See what comes of that. Oh, also, yeah, let me just take the time to say, hey, thank you for smashing the like button, family. We're looking good today. Looking good. Very much so appreciate you. Should make a video showing how it's on my list. It's just like right now, like since I've moved in and all these projects, I haven't had time for like a full video. It's been a bit of a struggle because it's like usually the planning and whatnot, but it's on my intention. But honestly, like outside of the live streams, I if I'm being real, it's like I don't see clear time to create like new videos until like April or whatnot. But it's like if I get the chance, it's like I got that on my list, the hiking ashi candles, and then also I have what is it? I also have I need to do a trading view mobile tutorial like because I know not everybody has a computer, but like trading view on your phone, like the charting and stuff is still like really good on it. $692.88 have been. You have a buy order set. Oh, you're gonna buy into it running up. I usually buy on the pullbacks. Hey, to each his own though. April, hey, what's up? Been jumping in and out. Hey, jump around, jump around. Happy Friday. Jump, jump. Sorry. I get a little. Don't know how to say or how to say. Like your short video you did when you made your run. Oh yeah, that's bro, honestly, that's like all I can do right now. So it's like y'all will see shorts here and there whenever I see like a little quick teachable. Cause it's like honestly when I'm running and stuff, I'm like, yo, let's it's like I get ideas and it's like if I can execute it quickly, it's like it'll get out. If I can't execute it quickly and there's like a lot of steps for it, it just gets caught in the back burner. It's a little bit of a struggle. That's why it's like the live streams. It's my only chance to connect right now. That's why I look forward to these live streams. I'm gonna be real. When it came to live streams, like towards the end of the year, like the last couple weeks of December, nah, I wasn't really enjoying it. It was like the market was all, it was mad boring. It was like it wasn't giving us anything. But now, yeah, I gotta say, I very much so like it. All right, looks like we're trying to push a little higher. Might get towards M census 692.88. Hey, going just like we should. All right, we're approaching the 200 EMA on the 2 minute. That might be somewhere I step out on some of these contracts. Once again, not trying to be in all day. Profit is profit. I'm now up like 5% after being down like almost 40. Up like 7%. Yeah, come on, SPY. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, it's trying to pick up M cents. They said they want M cents to get in the trade. Yeah, I'm up 10% now. We talking business. Oh, 13. All right, let's get it. All right, now we're pulling back a little bit. All right, yeah, we got a little pullback action going on here. On the 15, we're not like I would like to confirm above this what is it? The 200 on the 15? We still got like 7 minutes though on this candle. You said it. I know they're fishing for me. It's all about my money. Oh nah, yeah. I'm gonna need them to let you ride on for once. Yeah, I'm gonna say they need to leave Incense alone today. Let him do his thing. Let him prosper. Let him cook. Yeah, we're having a hard time getting above this low. Still making progress, but it's having some trouble. I'm gonna see what we look like on some lower time frames. 10 minute, okay. 5 minute, two. We just crossed bullish on the two. Let's go up to the 30, see how we're looking. We touched the, oh, it looks like we're about to cross down on the 30. Hmm. Let me look at this entry I just took. This was, honestly, it should lead us back up. It's just it could take the day. So this might be when I leave riding. I don't know. We'll see. Or maybe some of y'all won't see because it'll probably this looks like it'll go on past the stream, but we'll see what happens. I think that target up there at the high is still doable. I might slide it down though, just because I see this liquidity up here at like 694. It's like I think it can get up there. I think it can get all the way up to this high over here at like 695.45. But if I'm being real, I'll probably get out before that, even if it's just like running. Okay, trying to push back up on the SPY a little bit. Trying. We'll see. See what's to come. All right, we got a minute till Euro close. Let's see how the Europeans feel about us closing on the day. Or we're not closing on the day; they're closing on the day. But let's see what kind of energy they're bringing to us on their close. All right, trying to push up a little bit. Trying to push up to M-Sense's average end level. Still haven't quite hit it, but they're trying to get him. Trying to get him. Wait, hold up. I think that's a good close on the 15. Yeah, we close above the 200. No confirmation yet, but that's a good little close. Okay. Oh, yeah. Seeing a little strength here. Up at 693. Yeah, let's go. Push it up. Push it up. All right. So went from down like 40%. We're up 25 now. I'm here for it. What's in my chair? Sitting on something. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that. I think I lost something. Oh no, I didn't. There it is. All good. All right, hey, we trying to do a little pushy now. A little bit. Let's see if we can keep it up. Those candles on the 15 looking good. Instant said, "Uh-oh, it triggered. It triggered." All right. Now it's trying to. Imson said it triggered. It's trying to pull back a little bit. We'll see how it does. Yo, who was it talking about Dutch Bros? Dutch Bros is approaching that resistance again, that trend line. But also, be aware it can break out as well. Doesn't mean it will, but just be aware breakouts are a thing too. Yo, did I disconnect? Are we still live? Oh, there we go. I couldn't see it for a second. It looked like y'all went away. I was like, oh shoot, what happened? All right, forgot this forum is live and the market traders are watching me. Forgot that. Got some $30 on the spot. They gotta discourage me. Hey, you know how they do it, sense. It's okay. They're not really bringing it down right now. It's pretty tight. We're at least above. I mean, we want this next like 10 minutes to close up. so we can confirm, but it's not anything like too negative. All right, let's see if we can keep moving. All right, we're back at M cents entry. Yo, we're still trying. So we're at that 200 moving average on a 2 minute. Would like to get comfortably above that. That would be nice. Yeah, we're trying to make our way back to the pre-market high. That'll be just what we need. Spy is coming back. That it is. Exactly what we want to see. Yeah, we're up like 25% now. All right. Oh yeah. Hey, pushing. That's what we like to see. All right, yeah, up like 30%. All right, so that is working out. You said what's my first target? We kind of hit my first target. Uh, I guess if I had to draw like a next area, it's probably gonna be about like 693.70, then maybe like 694. I'm probably out at shortly after 694, if I'm being honest. If it's still moving. But what is this? Up. You said I'm up 46%. Good stuff. 694.38 is resistance, but I'm. Oh, you said you're not Matthew. Hey, well, yeah, I'm right now. Hey, we just ride the Heiken Ashi candles. See how they do. Got like 20 minutes left of this stream. I might decide when this stream's over, I want nothing to do with them. I might just walk out if it's there for me. If these candles stay like they are, it's like, yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool like leaving where we are right now. But if I'm gonna be here watching the candles anyway, it's like if it's gonna keep moving up, may as well. Hold up a second. Let's see. Search something. Yo, still trying to push. Still trying to push. All right, y'all. I see everybody is posting from 2016. I feel like they're trying to collect data, but I'm looking at it. Checking out my 2016 right now. Yo, 2016 was a fun year, honestly. Crazy. Okay, still pushing up. Let's check the contracts real quick. I'm up like 31. All right, pushing. Okay, yo, pushing some more. Pushing some more. Yeah, we're still trying to move. Still trying to move. Just made another $100 and I'm done account. Done locked account. Hey, good stuff. Hold up. Let's see how we're doing. Up 47% now. Yeah, I'm trying to get like you. Trying to get like you. Yeah, it's still moving though. You know what I'm saying? 70% up. Well, hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, we like to see the wins. Oh, they're trying to show a little selling pressure. Hold up. I'm gonna need them to chill out with all that. Should have bought a few contracts myself, but there's always another. Hey, there will always be, yeah, always more trades available. Just no Monday. No trading on Monday. No trades on Monday. All right, trying to pull back and retest. Let's see how we're looking on the. Okay, we're kind of chilling a little bit. I appreciate the love, family. Appreciate it. See y'all sending little hearts. Yeah, y'all know it's appreciate it. Hey, y'all already got the like. Oh well, I see somebody. Hey, at least somebody didn't smash a button. Not naming any names, but you didn't smash the like button. I see it. I'm not sure if you can see my face, but yeah, I'm looking at you. I'm watching you. Smash the like button. So yeah, let's see if we keep riding up, going up. See how it turns out. I appreciate that, Dominique. Appreciate you. Hey, can I let y'all in on a secret? I didn't know who didn't smash the like button. I can't actually see you. I can just see the numbers. If you comment, I can see that too. Oh, FedEx is here again. Let's watch him leave the package in my driveway. Let's see how big it is. I don't know if my wife ordered anything. I'm not necessarily expecting anything. Oh, what? Oh, it must be pretty big. He's backing into the driveway. Yeah, he's like, yo, I don't even feel like yeah, hold up. Hold up. Does it need to be signed for it? Nah, we're I'm trying to hold up. I'm trying to get a look at this man. I can't even see what he's doing. All right, I don't love those candles on the 5. Oh, it's a 5, not a 15. I just took profit on the contracts. I sold out of them at 81 cents per share. So I'm done for the day. Hold on one second. Let me share that with the family real quick. Oh, that's a couple cents where I sold out, but I just took profit on SPY calls at 81 cents per share. All right, so I sold out like just below where I bought the first one. So in reality, my trade looked like, let's see. We got out over here, and yeah, I cut out or bowed at this area. All right. Here, let's also, yeah, so 43 cents higher than where I initially first entered. And then for the second trade would have been like solid if I had it. Instant said Tesla bot. You said Tesla bot signs for itself. Hey, let me see what I got real quick. Let me see. I'll be right back. Let me check this door. I'm still here talking to y'all. I just have no idea what this man dropped off. He definitely dropped it in the driveway though, because I do not see anything. Unless he just like unless this man just like popped up and he's like, I normally stop at this driveway. I just feel like backing into it today. But I don't see anything. He didn't even show up on my ring. Oh, bro, I'm gonna need homie to stop dropping stuff in the driveway. I think this is like a couch or something. Yeah, this is for my wife. Ooh, it has some good weight. Ooh, hold up. Hold up. Okay. Bro, this yeah. I'm gonna have to flip this. It's not shaped right. Ooh, okay. All right, we got it in. We're good. All right. Okay. All good. All right, you said okay. I'm out the second one I bought. Stop loss set for profit in the second spy. Analyze Palantir. So Palantir was in a range and it broke out. But we can see kind of how the progress is going. We got about 4 minutes left on stream, just a heads up. Where is Palantir? All right, so Palantir, you can see it's been in this kind of formation for this time. Like if you go back, it's in there. So it looks like this morning kind of faked out to the upside, but it looks like it's getting ready to break down. So next area I'd look for would be like 170. And I'd say like when it gets to like this 166 or so, it can pop up. Oh yeah, I'm glad I took profit where I took profit. Bro, look at that. That's a mean little pullback right there. That is a mean pullback. Emerson said, out of SPY and green altogether. Hey, glad. Got more ammo for end of day. Wonder what will, nah, yeah, I'm done on the day. Done for the day. I want no part in that. He said, not sure what I meant by wet. I thought it was honestly I'm not sure either. Oh, you said setup. Okay, that makes more sense. All right. Oh, looks like it's still trying to hold up. That was a nasty pull. Here, let me go back to a 15. Was a nasty pullback, but actually looks like it's holding up and trying to push higher actually. Like if you look on the 15, but yeah, just because I'm about to get off, I'm sad. I'm very satisfied with my trade today. I'm glad we were able to fix that, and now that puts me to I am 6-2 on the year for trades. Hey, so that ratio just keeps getting better. Keeps getting better. I guess that's like, what's that, 75%? Something like that. Increase the buying power for the day. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we love it. We love it. And that covered my my stock purchases for the day as well. So I'm here for it. All right, switching computers about to I'm about to get off here in a moment. I'm about to get off now actually. All right. And I might get back in SPY. I'm pretty hey, I'm gonna say take the win. I'm gonna say take the win and enjoy your day, but if you gotta trade, you gotta trade. With that being said, family, that's gonna do it for the day. That's gonna do it for the week. The market is closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Day. What did Ann say? Glad to make some money with you. Have a great weekend. And see you next Friday. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day, blessed weekend. Happy Martin Luther King Day. And with that being said, peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Options Grower. Peace out, Dominique. Peace out, Buddha Deb. Peace out, let's see. And peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, April. Peace out, Edward. Peace out, Kevin. Kevin already said peace out. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Mayo signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.